Ma'am, nahirapan ho kami mag-isip kung ano yung pwede namin gawin para masurpresa kayo. So, sana itong naisip namin to, masurpresa nga kayo. So, happy birthday, ma'am, and I wish you all the best for your career and your family. More blessings and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Go.
Happy birthday, Mom. Wish you many more birthdays to come. At sana po, madami pa kayong matutulungan. Para po sa akin, kayo po ang aking pakpak. Bakit po? Kayo po yung nagbigay sa akin ng tiwala sa sarili, pag-asa, at inspiration. Thank you po.
Ma'am, happy birthday. Sana kung hindi pa ako aalis, magtagal pa kayo dito. Salamat, ma'am. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng mga tulong at saka sa suporta sa opisina. Wish you all the best. Yun lang po.
Hi Ma'am Remy. Pasensya na po dahil hindi tayo sanay sa humarap sa camera. Pero para mag-greet lang kayo ng happy birthday, ginawa ko po. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Ma'am, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Sana huwag kayo magsasawa sa amin.
Ma'am, happy birthday po. Wishing you all the best in life. Good health, happiness. And thank you po for being so kind, passionate, patient sa lahat ng empleyado ng Team PMO. More power, ma'am. God bless.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday po. God bless. Thank you.
Ma'am, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa pabaitan. More birthdays to come. God bless po.
Pag-ingin yung first. Wala bang case? Wala case kayo, ma'am?
Many people will walk in and out in your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday ma'am. Salamat sa pag-stay niyo dito.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Ma'am, puso. Yan, hugis puso. Kung gaano po kalaki ang puso mo yan, yan din po ang pagmamahal namin sa inyo. Happy birthday po.
Ma'am, morning po. Happy birthday po. And sana marami pang darating na birthday.
Okay.
Ma'am, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa lahat.
Good morning, Ma'am Remy. Ma'am, happy birthday po. Kahit nandito tayo sa GMA 7, kaya lang sa bodega lang to, ma'am, para mapahatid ko lang sa inyo ang lubos kong pagbati. Happy birthday again, ma'am, at sana humaba pa ang ating pagsasama sa Team PMO. At saka nga pala, ma'am, thank you sa buong aming suporta na inaano sa buong empleyado pag kami isang taong nagbe-birthday na dumarating, kayo pa naghahanda. Maraming salamat sa nyo, ma'am, sa pag-aano nyo pag kami celebrant na kayo pa naghahanda. At saka nga pala, ma'am, sa tulong na inaano nyo sa team, thank you po. At ma'am, God bless. Happy birthday again. Thank you po.
Play. Huy! Pati ka na!
Hello, ma'am. Merry Christmas.
Ay, happy birthday po pala. Salamat sa mga biyayang at pinagkaloob niyo sa amin. Lalong-lalo na po sa masasarap na pagkain tuwing may birthday. Ito nga po pala yung regalo ko sa inyo.
Fire!
Happy 18th birthday, ma'am. Tibon nyo na po ulit. I wish you more birthdays to come. And thank you for being a good Samaritan to us. And I pray that God will give you good health and shower you bonggam blessings. Happy birthday po!
Ma'am, happy birthday po sa inyo. Wish ko lang po na sana'y bigyan tayo ng ating poong may kapal ng malusog na pangangatawan at walang dumating na anumang mabigat na problema at dito sa ating buong team PMO.
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
Look at what's happened to me. I can't believe it myself. Suddenly I'm up on top of the world. It should have been somebody else. Believe it or not, I'm walking on air. I never thought I could feel so free. Flying away on a wing and a prayer. Who could it be? Believe it or not, it's just me. Just like the light of a new day, it hit me from out